Welcome to Sim Code. Working with Data. A lecture on data types, analysis, and processing. Introduction. Understanding data is crucial for AI and decision making. Topics covered: data literacy, EDA, data processing, data quality. Data literacy. Data literacy is the ability to read and understand data, analyze datasets, make informed decisions, interpret statistical trends. Exploratory Data Analysis (EDA). EDA is used to identify patterns and anomalies, visualize dataset characteristics, detect missing or inconsistent data. Common techniques: histograms, bar charts, box plots. Data quality. Ensuring data quality involves removing duplicates, handling missing values, standardizing formats, validating accuracy. Data-Centric AI versus Model-Centric AI. Model-Centric AI focuses on improving algorithms. Data-Centric AI prioritizes high-quality datasets. Data quality impacts model effectiveness. Types of data. Qualitative data. Binary yes/no. Nominal, colors, categories. Ordinal, rankings. Quantitative data. Continuous, height, temperature. Discrete, countable values. Data cleaning and wrangling. Steps involved: identify and fix errors, convert formats, handle missing values, merge datasets. Data processing techniques. ETL versus ELT. ETL, extract-transform-load. ELT, extract-load-transform. ELT is more efficient for large data processing. Data drift and model drift. Data drift, changes in input data over time. Model drift, decreasing model performance due to data shifts. Solutions: monitor data distributions. Use drift detection algorithms. Feature selection and binning. Feature selection. Identify relevant variables. Use PCA or domain expertise. Binning techniques: equal width bins, equal frequency bins, k-means clustering. Correlation analysis. Correlation measures relationships between variables. +1, strong positive correlation. 0, no correlation. -1, strong negative correlation. Generating synthetic data. Faker library in Python. Python. From faker import faker. Fake equals faker. Print fake.name. Print fake.address.